Welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today we are going to learn about how to use grids in Canva. Using grids in Canva is a great way to organize your designs, create balanced layouts, and achieve a very professional look. Here is how you can use the grids in Canva. First, open Canva, then create a design and open an existing one. Today I'm just going to show you how to use grids in a very blank post. Here this is an Instagram post layout. On the left side you can see element section here. Tap on elements and as you can scroll you will be able to find grids here. If you cannot find grids, then just search, you have the search bar here. Just tap on search bar and type grids, then tap on see all and you will be able to find different kinds of grids here. Canva offers various grid layouts like 2x2, 3x2, 4x4, or you can also use custom grids. Now just tap on the grids template as you like. I am going to tap on just a regular one, and if your post is not a square post, then you can adjust to the edges like this. Now this second step is to add content to the grid. You can go to uploads and tap on upload files and then go for just the pictures that you want to send and tap on open. Now just choose one by one, add the contents like this and drag it to the frame. You can also crop or resize each image. I'm putting my last one here. You have to add the contents according to the size of the grid so that it does not crop your faces or crop the main content of yours. Here is some tips for using grids effectively. You have to maintain consistency, balance, and experiment. Use the same grid layout across multiple designs and also distribute your visual weight evenly across the grid for harmonious designs. That's all for today. If you like our video, please keep watching our channel. For more tutorials like this, stay with Think Big Digital. That's all for today. See you in the next video.